Is that Jared?
Was that?
Am I reacting to Jared?
Shower before bed, they said.
What the heck? Why is Jared on our screen? Honestly, this is true. You don't have much hair, so you won't feel this pain.
Yeah, he's got more hair than me. But right now, I got what I call like a peacock haircut. When I get out of the shower, the backs of my hair just sticks up like a peacock.
Okay, so if you sleep with wet hair, is this a problem? Because it is for...
Yeah.
You can't shower before bed.
I mean, not to that extreme. Like, Jared for sure got out of the shower and was like, that's how I dry my hair.
No, you can't sleep with wet hair. Facts.
Washing a spoon. Oh, yeah. This is
Yes.
fact in here.
Yes. Like on an emotional level, this is so true. How do you wash a spoon?
You
There's
don't.
no trick.
You licked and you put?
There's no freaking trick.
A dishwasher. You should never hand wash a spoon.
Yeah, we all don't have that luxury
That's funny.
of a dishwasher.
True. When people walk in slow.
Yes. Oh. Walk or drive slow? What do you hate more?
Walking slow, especially
I
at a
think
grocery
walking.
store.
Any store.
They just take their time, like
Yes.
there's no one else in this place that matters. I'm the only one getting carrots right now.
In the fruit aisle and vegetable aisle, like I lose my bonkers right now during these times.
Everyone takes like forever.
They're like feeling everyone to pick the right one.
Like avocados, yeah, you gotta feel them up. You gotta be like, yeah, that's a nice one. But bananas, you go off of looks. You don't need to like be squeezing bananas.
So annoying.
Apples, what do you tap them for?
No.
Hey, what is happening, you guys? Welcome back to Top 10 Central, the greatest channel on YouTube. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you are not already. I'm your host for this one, Landon. Do not sing.
I'm your other host, Josh Bedard. To check out more of our videos, you can click the playlist right over Landon's head.
And once you guys done that, make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of this video because there's going to be bloopers. I mess up all the time, and we have these like side rants like all the time.
Always.
Like we were talking about, make sure you stay tuned to the end, but we're talking about how women don't wear t-shirts under sweaters.
It's true. We don't.
My mind's like,
Ladies, back me up. It's a fact.
if this is true, hit the like button.
Huh?
Why is she not pulling? Wait, why?
Pull.
What the?
Oh,
Wait, what's going on right now?
why aren't you pulling?
I'm so confused to why she's
I
not
guess
reading
you just, like, do you go up to doors and automatically push?
that. No.
Or open?
There's a big handle. I've never pushed a big handle before.
Is that D a handle?
That D's a handle that you.
Oh, I don't think she I'm just assuming it's a she.
This person's confused.
I don't think they get that that's a handle, so they're trying to push it, but it says pull.
That's weird.
Come on, guys.
Dumb.
And are ready to support him no matter what. Ow. True love
What's the
exists,
annoying
it's
part?
Beautiful and fandoms are beautiful. Ow. This is
Oh,
beautiful.
no
And it
blinker.
already has almost 1 million views in just a few days. The song is called Right Now.
Okay, I was caught up with the radio. I don't know what happened. Wait, why are
You
they
didn't
in
see
the...
this? They merged into the lane without.
Oh, he's in the right lane. Oh, I see him.
Look, watch the white on the right.
Beautiful. Ow. This is
He just comes in the
Yeah,
lane without
yeah.
any
almost 1
blinker.
million views in just a few
Yeah, that's pretty annoying.
Oh, you better not.
Trucks are notorious for this. And I know a lot of you guys are like, oh my god, trucks are great drivers.
No.
Not all of them. No, all of them
No.
are bad drivers.
The worst.
I never met a truck driver that was a good driver. Like all my buddies that drive trucks, they're just, they follow so close, they don't signal. They don't give a shit.
How annoying is this? The sound? Yes.
This sound like.
Please tell me you've changed your alarm sound.
I have not because I don't set alarms anymore.
Well, your little baby's your alarm now.
Yeah.
This, I have to change it because that sound is literally gives me like anxiety.
I've gone to sleep hearing it, waking up, and it's like there's no
It's a
alarm.
nightmare.
It's a nightmare, absolute nightmare.
Change the ringtone. I have like this beautiful, soft, like meadow sound now. Because I can't listen to this.
So you're watching the game, you got a cold one on the way, you grab a piping hot slice
for
of
you.
pizza, you put it in your mouth, and oh, I burnt my tongue.
Burning your tongue is by far the most annoying thing in the world.
Burning your tongue or biting your tongue? Because
Oh,
biting your
both.
tongue, it hurts. It hurts so
It does.
much.
But when you burn it, like on your first, I know you don't drink coffee, but like your first sip of coffee, that means the rest of your coffee, you're screwed and it sucks.
Well, you're screwed for the rest of the day as well.
Yes. And you're like randomly getting a shiver out of nowhere. Yes. All the time. I feel like I'm gonna get one now because I'm thinking about it. You get them?
I don't get them, but how I can relate to
Oh my
this
God.
is I remember sleeping in class and all of a sudden you have that shake.
Oh, you jolt.
Yeah, you don't just jolt, you like you just shake. You ever had that?
What? No, I didn't sleep in class, Landon.
Oh man. Yeah, I'm that kid in the back of the class just jolting his desk, just shaking.
No, I do get the chills where I've had to apologize because
Yeah?
I've shivered and like Lucy like startles next to me at work and I'm like, I shivered. Like I just got this shiver.
When you're closing apps and you accidentally close the music app,
The worst. I wish you could lock it somehow so that it wouldn't. I do it every day. Every day it happens.
Yeah, okay, you know what's annoying as well? When you're filming something, because I film a lot, and you get a phone call. Why do phone calls take priority over my video? Like, bro, I'm filming right now. Don't interrupt that.
When people add you in a group chat and text for hours. That is slacked sometimes. Are you kidding? Group chats, like Facebook Messenger group chats. Oh.
So funny. When it says 4 to 7 business days to ship, and you hoped it was 4, but it looks like it's gonna be 7.
It looks like it's gonna be 7. I hate that.
I absolutely hate that.
Absolutely. Because you pick the closest thing, you're like, it's coming by 4 days. But it does say 4 to 7, so they're not wrong.
Yeah. Or have you ever had like 14 to 28 days, and it's like...
I don't even get it at that point. I don't purchase something if it's taking that.
Yeah. Oh, that's annoying.
Oh my God,
I hate
yes.
peeling those things off.
They put it directly on the product. Just make a tag, man.
Yeah. You know what's
like,
the worst thing? You order Booster Juice.
Yes, I love Booster Juice.
Like, do you Uber Eats it?
No.
Okay, Uber Eat it tonight, okay? They come with these like sticker things.
What do they do?
Like you know how they have those safety things like at McDonald's? They
Yes.
have like, so on Booster Juice, they do that on the straw hole.
Oh, what?
And when you peel it off, you can't, like it flakes off like that, and you can't get in there.
That's
and then
so-
sometimes when you do
you
it,
get
it's
it
so
in there.
strong that it just rips the cup, and you have a massive hole in it.
That's so annoying. I haven't done that.
Okay, order tonight, Booster Juice. Oh, that sucks.
Oh, come on now.
Yeah, but your hands are, oh. I was like, but your hands are soaked, it happens.
It's so thin. I don't know who they, like, I'm going to need 6 of these minimum. Why do they make them so thin? I don't understand.
Yeah, it's cheap. You ever see
Cheap.
like toilet paper that's cheap?
Yes, it's literally, it's like, it crumbles in your hand. You can't even
get like
use it.
on your hand.
You like wrap it around your whole hand.
Yeah, I don't get it because you go thin, but it's like, okay, it's thin, but I'm gonna take
I'm
like,
gonna use more.
it takes so much of it.
Just make it thick, everyone wins. All right, guys, make sure you guys stick around because the bloopers are about to start. I was one of your hosts, Josh Bedard.
I'm your other host, Landon Do Not Sing.
See you next time.
Bye. Should I do sweater on or sweater off?
You're gonna sweater off.
Kind of, yeah, off, right?
I can't, I don't have a choice. I look like Barney.
But you don't have a t-shirt?
No, man.
Yo,
Girls wear sweaters without t-shirts underneath.
That's a thing?
Yeah.
Why?
I would never wear a t-shirt underneath a sweater.
Really?
So uncomfortable.
That's a thing?
Yeah, man. Ask girls to take off their sweaters and they'll all say, I can't.
It just
We
flashes.
can't. Yeah, we can't. I literally can't.
Sarah, you got a sweater on?
Yeah, nothing underneath.
I commit.
No, you don't have a t-shirt?
See? You don't. You'd wear a bra if that.
That's not a thing.
It
Why?
is. Ask any female and be like, hey, do you have a shirt underneath? They're gonna say no.
Well, you know what? That's annoying. What's this video?
you
Annoying things
commit
that
to
everyone
it.
can relate to?
It's not. It's a commitment though in the morning because this is it. You can't sleep with wet hair. Facts.
I don't know. I don't
God.
shower. I don't have this problem. Facts. People tap melons and stuff. One time I actually went in and I tapped it. I'm like, what am I listening for? Like,
Hollow?
I don't know what they're doing.
I don't know what y'all.
I'm sure a lot of you guys are gonna comment and be like, oh my god, you guys were idiots. Like you tapped for this. I don't know what people are tapping for.
I think it's. I don't know. I'm an idiot. So you can't even tell me though that you have not like pushed a door that said pull or pulled a door.
Okay,
that said-
I have not because I've taken architecture course and I know the fire codes and I know which doors.
on, are you
I know which
serious?
doors actually should be pushed.
I've full on almost broken my wrist because
Yeah.
I've confidently gone to push and it's a pull.
No, you commit too hard.
Yeah, I do.
But way too hard. Yeah, whenever it's a big building or it's a fire exit, it's always push.
Wow.
To leave the building. So I knew right away that one was a pull because people leaving have to push.
Okay, well we're not like as intelligent as you are.
Yeah, you guys aren't as intelligent as I
I need
am.
to hang around with more people like you.
This is number 9.
Should I close that window?
Yeah. It's the window.
Or sorry, are you able to close it?
Yeah, I'll close it. You're attached.
Yeah. I'm attached to a umbilical cord. Can't go further than my,
Umbilical cord.
can't go further than my lifeline.